Miguel Aljibe mula sa Kolehiyo ng Medisina, your USC Counselor for Environment, Science, and Technology, running under ASAP Katipunan. It would be ACAD calendar shift. Because it forces us to live under a system, under a schedule that is not appropriate for our climate. When I was a young undergrad in UP Diliman, I joined Stand UP and the Sunflower Brigade, and we risked our academics, our exams, and the bullying of President Pascual to register the students' dissent with regards to the ACAD calendar shift. Here in UP Manila, I am one with ASAP Katipunan as we continue to oppose the neoliberal policy of ACAD calendar shift. One to five kasi naging bahagi ako at nakita ko din yung mga projects ng USC to reach out to communities na naapektuhan ng mga problema with regards to environment. Pero yung 0.25 na butil na yon comes from the fact na yung structural problems sa environment, sa education na, by the way, connected, ay nananatili pa rin. So ano na ba yung challenge ngayon? Last year, sinimula ng ASAP Katipunan, they have fired the first shots. They have drawn the line. And what is left is for us to continue and finish the fight.